In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a credit card refund in your QuickBooks Online account. Whether you're running a small business or managing personal finances, it's essential to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Recording refunds correctly helps ensure that your financial statements reflect your actual financial position. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser. If you have Google Chrome, that's the one I'd recommend because it tends to work smoothly with most online tools, including QuickBooks Online. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and log in using your account details. This is where you'll manage all your financial transactions, so having a reliable password is crucial for security. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a plus icon that says New. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to creating all sorts of transaction entries such as invoices, expenses, and in this case, a credit card credit, which represents a refund you received on your credit card. As soon as you click New, a window will pop up with several options. Under the section labeled Vendors, you'll see an option called Credit Card Credit. This is the type of transaction you'll need to record the credit card refund properly. Click on Credit Card Credit to proceed. The next step is to choose the particular credit card account that received the refund. You'll see a list of your credit card accounts in a drop-down menu. Selecting the correct one is important as it determines where the credit will be applied. After selecting the credit card account, it's time to identify who gave you the refund. This could be a company or an individual, so write down the name in the vendor name field. It's time to fill in a couple of more details, starting with the refund date. This should be the date the refund was credited to your account. Next, put in the refund amount. Accuracy is key here to ensure your records match your actual account statements. Moving further, you'll notice a section called Category Details. Here it's crucial to select the expense account or category originally used for the purchase. For example, if the purchase was initially recorded under office supplies, that's the category you should select for the refund as well. Doing this links the refund back to the original purchase, keeping your accounts accurate and consistent. You can also add a description, though this is optional. If you like, include something like refund for returned item to remind you later why this refund was issued. After reviewing all the information you've entered, you're ready to finalize it. Simply click Save and Close, and your credit card refund is now recorded accurately in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your financial records are clear, organized, and reflective of your true financial situation. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.